Hi, I'm Angela Wolf. I'm a fashion designer and online instructor, and today I'm going to give you a little idea how to make your own fabric. I'm just going to do a little scarf, but the idea is you could do a larger piece and create a little shrug or something very cute. So here we have this. This could be a scarf, it could be a belt. Can you imagine if you made this bigger? This would be a great sweater. And you know how I made this? It's very easy. I made it out of a little bit of this, a little bit of this, and some pink yarn. The secret to this is water-soluble fabric. So here we have this one. Now why do I have the skirts out? I'm not referring that you just wear a skirt and a scarf. You're going to need more than that. But the reason I have this out is because what's inside of this scarf is the tweed from my jacket or the tweed from both of these skirts. So when you have a stash of, after you've made an outfit, you have a stash like this, I put these in baggies and try to hide them because your cleaning lady will think it's trash and you'll have to start all over. I'm speaking from experience on that one. So all this is with water-soluble paper, and I've stitched numerous lines. If you look really close, you can see all of this stitching. You need to do straight rows. If you do all curvy rows, you don't have something to hold this. These are almost like your grain lines, okay? All right, so that's another one. And let's get going on this. I just want to show you how this works. Here's my water-soluble paper. I've made numerous rows of stitching. You can see that. I didn't finish because I want to show you. Everything, all of the thread and yarn is in here, which I'm going to show you how to lay out that design in a minute, but I want to show you how easy this works. After you've stitched this together, put it in water, and you can leave it in here for 2 minutes. We're just going to let it sit for a few minutes, but you can already start to see the water soluble going away. But let me just show you how easy these scarves are. So pick how long you want this to be. I'm just going to do a small rendition for you. I do not cut two pieces. I fold it in half. So just take a bunch of, just make a design. You want to make sure that you go all over to each side. So just make a little mess here. And then grab maybe some of your extra tweed. When you stitch this, you want to pick a fabric that's very close. I mean, not a fabric, a thread that's close in color. Again, just kind of mixing this around. So you can see how messy this can get. Now you can make this as full as you want or as thin. Now I'm going to cut all these off, but at least you're getting an idea of how full you can make this. And then I'm going to fold this in half, and this is where I'm going to stitch, just like I showed you. So let's see what we've got left. Look at this. I'm going to throw this in the dryer. That makes it really soft. But look at, all the paper is gone. You can see my pink stitches. I did the pink stitches just so you could see what was going on here. But can you imagine if you piece together a lot of pieces, you can make a full sweater. So how fun is this? Very easy to do. Grab the scraps that you have in your sewing room, and you'll end up with a new scarf or a new sweater.